How to use album function on TDSEE. 1. View pictures or videos. First, please enter the Me page. Tap Album. Now you can see pictures and videos you have saved. 2. Download pictures or videos. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. Choose pictures or videos you want to download. Tap Download. At this time, pictures or videos have been saved on your smartphone. 3. Delete pictures or videos. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. Choose pictures or videos you want to delete. Tap Delete. Confirm Delete. At this time, you have deleted pictures or videos in batches. 4. Share pictures or videos. Tap pictures or videos you want to share. Tap Share. Choose an app to share. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the sharing.